Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokajin channel. Learning English and Indonesian language. Today we're going to talk about getting information and directions. Listen and then repeat. 1. Excuse me sir. Can you give me some information?
1. Permisi Pak, bisakah Anda memberi saya beberapa informasi?
Excuse me miss. Can you give me some information?
Permisi Nona, bisakah Anda memberi saya beberapa informasi?
Excuse me officer. Can you give me some information?
Permisi Pak Petugas, bisakah Anda memberi saya beberapa informasi?
Excuse me captain. Can you give me some information?
Permisi Kapten, bisakah Anda memberi saya beberapa informasi?
2. Can you tell me where Peach Street is?
2. Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana Peach Street?
Can you tell me where the restaurant is?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana restoran itu?
Can you tell me where the post office is?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana kantor pos?
Can you tell me where the airport is?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana bandara itu?
Can you tell me where the railroad station is?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana stasiun kereta api?
3. The post office is 2 blocks straight ahead.
3. Kantor pos berada 2 blok lurus ke depan.
The post office is 2 miles straight ahead.
Kantor pos berada 2 mil lurus ke depan.
The post office is on the other side of the street.
Kantor pos ada di seberang jalan.
4. Which direction is it to the theater? Do you know?
4. Arah mana ke teater? Apakah Anda tahu?
Which direction is it to the post office? Do you know?
Ke arah mana ke kantor pos? Apakah Anda tahu?
Which direction is it to the university? Do you know?
Arah mana ke universitas? Apakah Anda tahu?
Which direction is it to the bank? Do you know?
Ke arah mana ke bank? Apakah Anda tahu?
Which direction is it to the church? Do you know?
Ke arah mana ke gereja? Apakah Anda tahu?
5. Turn right at the next corner. You can't miss it.
5. Belok kanan di tikungan berikutnya. Anda tidak akan tersesat.
Turn left at the next corner. You can't miss it.
Belok kiri di tikungan berikutnya. Anda tidak akan tersesat.
Go straight ahead at the next corner. You can't miss it.
Lurus ke depan di tikungan berikutnya. Anda tidak akan tersesat.
Go to the right at the next corner. You can't miss it.
Sebelah kanan di tikungan berikutnya. Anda tidak akan tersesat.
Go to the left at the next corner. You can't miss it.
Sebelah kiri di tikungan berikutnya. Anda tidak akan tersesat.
6. How far is it to the university? Can you tell me?
6. Berapa jauh ke universitas? Bisakah kamu katakan pada saya?
How far is it to the university? Would you tell me?
Berapa jauh ke universitas? Maukah Anda memberitahu saya?
How far is it to the university? Could you tell me?
Berapa jauh ke universitas? Bisakah Anda katakan pada saya?
How far is it to the university? Would you mind telling me?
Berapa jauh ke universitas? Maukah Anda memberitahu saya?
7. It's a long way from here to the university.
7. Jauh dari sini ke universitas.
It's a short distance from here to the university.
Jarak dari sini ke universitas cukup dekat.
It's a short walk from here to the university.
Ini hanya berjalan kaki singkat dari sini ke universitas.
It's a long drive from here to the university.
Ini perjalanan jauh dari sini ke universitas.
8. The school is just around the corner. You can't miss it.
8. Sekolah tepat di sekitar tikungan itu. Anda tidak akan terlewat.
The school is in the middle of the block. You can't miss it.
Sekolah itu berada di tengah blok. Anda tidak akan terlewat.
The school is right on the corner. You can't miss it.
Sekolah ini tepat di tikungan. Anda tidak akan terlewat.
The school is up there on the left. You can't miss it.
Sekolah ada di atas sana di sebelah kiri. Anda tidak akan terlewat.
9. The restaurant is across the street from the hotel.
9. Restoran berada di seberang jalan dari hotel.
The restaurant is around the corner from the hotel.
Restoran adalah sekitar tikungan dari hotel.
The restaurant is a mile from the hotel.
Restoran berjarak 1 mil dari hotel.
The restaurant is a short walk from the hotel.
Restoran adalah berjalan kaki singkat dari hotel.
10. Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's telephone number?
10. Apakah Anda tahu nomor telepon Tuan Coupe?
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's address?
Apakah Anda kebetulan tahu alamat Tuan Coupe?
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's profession?
Apakah Anda kebetulan tahu profesi Tuan Coupe?
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's height and weight?
Apakah Anda tahu tinggi dan berat Tuan Coupe?
Do you happen to know Mr. Cooper's office address?
Apakah Anda kebetulan tahu alamat kantor Tuan Cooper?
11. Could you tell me where the nearest telephone is?
11. Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana telepon terdekat?
Could you tell me where the nearest hospital is?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana rumah sakit terdekat?
Could you tell me where the nearest ladies' room is?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana kamar mandi wanita terdekat?
Could you tell me where the nearest men's room is?
Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya di mana toilet pria terdekat?
12. Where's the post office? Should I go this way, or that way?
12. Di mana kantor posnya? Haruskah saya pergi ke sini atau ke sana?
Where's the university? Should I go this way, or that way?
Di mana universitasnya? Haruskah saya pergi ke sini atau ke sana?
Where's the bank? Should I go this way, or that way?
Di mana banknya? Haruskah saya pergi ke sini atau ke sana?
Where's the airport? Should I go this way, or that way?
Di mana bandara? Haruskah saya pergi ke sini atau ke sana?
13. Go that way for 2 blocks, then turn left.
13. Jalan ke sana sejauh 2 blok, lalu belok kiri.
Go that way for a block or 2, then turn left.
Pergi ke arah itu selama 1 atau 2 blok, lalu belok kiri.
Go that way for about 2 miles, then turn left.
Pergi ke sana sekitar 2 mil, lalu belok kiri.
14. I beg your pardon. Is this seat taken?
14. Maafkan saya, apakah kursi ini sudah dipesan?
I beg your pardon. Is this seat occupied?
Maafkan saya, apakah kursi ini terisi?
I beg your pardon. Is this seat reserved?
Maafkan saya, apakah kursi ini sudah dipesan?
I beg your pardon. Is this seat reserved for somebody?
Maafkan saya, apakah kursi ini disediakan untuk seseorang?
15. The restaurant is up those stairs.
15. Restoran ada di atas tangga itu.
The restaurant is on the second floor.
Restorannya ada di lantai 2.
The restaurant is down those stairs.
Restoran menuruni tangga itu.
The restaurant is in the basement.
Restoran berada di ruang bawah tanah.
16. Isn't the restaurant straight ahead?
16. Bukankah restorannya lurus ke depan?
Isn't the restaurant around the corner?
Bukankah restoran ada di sekitar tikungan?
Isn't the restaurant in the middle of the next block?
Bukankah restoran berada di tengah blok berikutnya?
Isn't the restaurant right on the corner of Washington Street?
Bukankah restorannya tepat di tikungan Washington Street?
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give comment. Goodbye.